morning, and welcome to Occam's Razor, gardening, cooking, and canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. But as we are in the fall, it's more like as we watch the stopping of the growing in the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a thumbs up. And subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you're on YouTube. Well, the squash boxes, trains again. Squash boxes, I'm just waiting for them to completely die off so that I can just go in and collect the squash. Not much stopping me now. New critters run around the yard. I ain't too happy. One of them happens to be a rat. Yes, the rat come up to join me on the deck. Caught me, little bugger. So I've set up a live trap. There's just too many other critters in the yard that I do not want to trap with a rat trap. I want to grab those little chipmunks. I want to harm the squirrels. Rats. Man, I haven't seen rats here since... Oh, speaking of rats, here's a tree rat. But he belongs out straight for my sunflower. Good for you, little fella. Yes. There he is, munching away. Oh, you don't need to hide from me. It's there for you. Oh, let's get back on with the show. Yes, 2020. 2021, when they shut down all the restaurants for the COVIDity stupidity, and all those rats had no place to eat, so they just migrated out of the GTA into the outlying areas, like here. And I ended up with a couple of rats. Bored somebody's cat. The cat ate the rat. Regurgitated the tail. I guess they can't really digest those. And trapped the other one in a rat trap. Now, of course, I'm lucky. They're not in the house. They're just out here somewhere in the environment. Last thing you want is rats. Oh, the critter pee that they have. And a bloody thing with the rats is they don't even respect humans, right? Because they like to live amongst them. They're not afraid of humans. So the smells that we give off, that we usually keep other critters away because they know it's our territory, the rats just love it. I know, these potatoes and tops aren't going to give me too many more days before I have to harvest these. Yes, we were looking at our purple beans. The beans go purple, and when you cook them, they turn green. And just as delicious. I don't know, maybe it's something psychological, but they seem to taste a little better than some of the other green beans. Then again, there's a difference between the green beans. You know, there's your standard green beans that you have to harvest when they're nice and young and fresh before they turn all stringy. The ones you commonly see at the store, it's kind of like an average taste. If you start growing any of these other beans, the bush beans, you know, different types, they do have a bit of a flavor. And then again, it's what the soil that they're growing in is going to help in that flavor too. They are what they eat, just like you. So they're going to taste like the minerals they absorb. Or a giant kale bush. Yes, we were looking at the zucchini. Okay, so the zucchini plant, the sneaky zucchinis, and all that. Like, there's a sneaky one right there. Another one growing on the patio stones. Like, I've been sick of zucchinis for more than a couple of weeks, but you know, I'm sure in a couple of months I'll be missing the zucchinis. And it's our cherry tomato plant that just grows right out of the cracks. Takes all the abuse. No seeds yet. Waiting for seeds. Waiting for seeds on basil plant. All right, let's go in the front and have a look and see how the critters are enjoying the sunflower there. And straight to our lavender. Very nice. Well, this is the garden in September. Well, I'm surprised these pumpkin leaves have been handling this slow encroachment of its desiccation so well. Just keep feeding the pumpkin, boys. And as we saw in the backyard with the critter munching on the sunflower, that's what it's there for. Because I will never get these sunflowers growing in time unless they're protected from the critters. There's just no two ways about it. It's an accepted fact when I put them in. Ah yes, the rotting zucchini that did not grow, because it's all soft right here, right? Because this flower did not get pollinated. Mostly because pollination flowers weren't available at the time. And our morning glories crawling along the back. All the way across. And up. Well, at least the plant is serving a function. Oh, look at them, just covered in the pollen. And our other sunflower. Framed against all the morning glories. Let's have a look at the other side. Right. Well, if you have stayed all the way to the end, once again to watch my crappy camera work and check on the state of the garden, I really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.